aya basi aracari Sankara da Premier umva nyuma ya Mr Elisha akubwira ngo imbogo dutangira filime y'umwaka yiswe Blowback atagira ucikwa ya nyuma ya Mr Elisha. Okay,
oh baby
skia ya warabonye filime z'abajura nka Takers ukabona The Town udacikwa iyi cyangwa Army of Thieves udacikwa Blowback. Mr Elisha ati mwana soko y'urukundo burya mutwara buhoro buce
nukurukwiye ngoro
akwiye nye
umutima wanje nukurukwiye ngoro
arayikwiye koko
ingoro
arabyongeye
wagukoraho gato
skia
yewe na muti ngoto
Beg imbogo umwana wayirica imbogo bahise Blowback Sankara da Premier nakubwiye Elisha yajaje Beg imbogo umwana wayirica ahembe yayarica
Puri amaso yawe anwara hano nazi motema nangaye
skia. Okay,
kunde banaratwawe watwaye ubwenge bwanje sinzi uko nabigiranje. I know you like my affection. My affection is your addiction. Your addiction is my mission. Baby,
nakubwira cyari Sankara da Premier kuva muri Giti Business Group hatagira ucikwa. Time to party, time to rye show. Nakubwira kari karabuze karaje yajwe ribahora imitima ya benshi Sankara da Premier day to day city samano writer byarakaze ahembe yayarica Beg imbogo umwana wayirica skia kanje kucatuzinduye kare
sasa hakuno
Giti yajukiye mu mwitozo
gihugu cy'u Rwanda mu mahanga
bayise Rebel Energy Whiskey
tozo warimbanyije
icyo kunywa cyongera ingufu n'akanyamuneza mubiri hose
no
Gashemere Business Group nika kugezaho
mahanga muri Thailand
skia
mwitozo warimbanyije umwitozo warimba
aya
atunyasanga mu mwitozo haje hakuna kaba gato
uruzingo mpuzamahanga muri make
muri size gakomeye kumagaye dore uruzingo
araka imbere yije ya rufendeke na Giti amasaha y'umwitozo
tiyisha umuntu rufendeke arapfuye
hagombera ni suku bateranya nk'umutoza
muri Thailand
muri teguye sawa nawe mudundane nk'abadunda baro
aka urugamba Giti versus
rufendeke ku mitsi ye wajyaho namamba ko wajya n'imitsi buretse gato coach naje nari ariko simvira maho kamaze nko kwa Rebel Energy Whiskey ngarura gataje Giti naje nkweregesha imbaraga sibirayi Rebel irabikora akazi kose
sasa
gitara squata
barazura userukira igihugu
araka rufendeke boxi rimwe gusa yivuganya Giti imbaraga sibirayi mureke abantu mwibica ngo mwabuze aho mukoresha ibikoresho byose bya electronique kanze mbere ku mutekinisiye wabigize umwuga Salomo tekinisiye ku Kivumu ari Remera ruguru muri gare gatoya nako ruguru ya Feruje.
waba ufite ikibazo kuri smartphone ndetse n'izindi device electronique zitandukanye nka
nimero zacu nazindi uhamagara tukagukemura ikibazo cyose waba ufite
smartphone ndetse n'izindi device electronique zitandukanye nka radio, televiziyo ndetse n'izindi nyinshi ibyananiranye abikoramo guhumbya. Tubafite na accessoires nyinshi zitandukanye arizo
Salomo tekinisiye,
screen protector,
Kigali Universal Language School, ishuri rya mbere mu kwigisha indimi. Twigisha Icyongereza, Igifaransa, Igishinwa, Igihinde, Igiportuge, Igiswahili n'izindi. Wari uzi yuko imyaka yose waba ufite ushobora kwiga indimi kandi mu gihe gito? Birashoboka hamwe na Kigali Universal Language School. Ese urashaka kujya muri Amerika, i Burayi n'ahandi? Muri Kigali Universal Language School turagufasha kubona certificate zitandukanye zirimo TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo, DELF na TEF. Twegere kandi tuguha amahugurwa ku bijyanye na public speaking na interview performance. Akarusho kacu, dufite abarimu b'abahanga bakwigisha indimi ku rwego mpuzamahanga. Twigisha kandi amategeko y'umuhanda yaba mu Cyongereza no mu Gifaransa ku batumva neza Ikinyarwanda, kandi ukora rimwe gusa ugahita utsinda. Niba kandi ushaka kwiga porogaramu zitandukanye za mudasobwa, karibu muri Kigali Universal Language School tugufashe. Dusanga aho dukorera mu mujyi wa Kigali mu nyubako ya Shike muri etaje ya mbere mu muryango E046A. Ushobora kuduhamagara kuri telefone 078 03
Bahise Blowback niyo tugiye gutangira
kuri 0787 41 Hitamo kwiga neza hamwe na Kigali Universal Language School.
Aya basi nuko tuitangiye. Ya bategwa muri nyinshi cyane ahubwo yaratari Sankara Premier wumva nk'ibisanzwe. Saban Films GT Business Group. Bona abateguye mbere na mbere. Nagarabo gusa bategwa muri nyinshi cyane. Premier Entertainment, IT and Distribution. Se ko bitanzanye kubasomera. Nasoma ndwana n'icyo ubundi sike ndavunwa n'ubusa. Tangirira hakuno. Bonti Media Capital. MC Films. Bona abandi zateguye Mr. Saban Films presents. So bondi bisinabisomye ndabisubiramo ibyiki. Kyegarwe. Blowback ni filime. Tangira hakuno umugezi wari utwaye Randy Couture n'umucikwe. Mukinnyi w'imena Randy Couture. Utwaye aratware ko natwaye neza. Louis na Chris n'abakinnyi bandi b'imena. Utwaye ipine ryapfumutse. Yatobokeje umugabo ari marava maraso menshi. Mbanza yarashwe tu. Nimba atari accident. Kumbuka twaye hanafite akangunga kakora umushoferi. Modoka aratwara manza mboko adakora neza. Hakurya hakuno. Filime yo kutangiye. Ntago ari mu cyerekezo kimwe. Ntago ameze neza Mr. Ko yakaje. Tayara komeza imbere. Ameze nabi. Mugabo ararembye ntareba neza uyene yajya. Nazamura umutwe ariko manza ari mfite ibizunga mukuntu. Polisi mucaho. Polisi yakamuciyeho. Mugabo ameze nabi. Asaya mu gitondo. Polisi kubita return U-turn baramukurikira. Hago umuntu twaye ukemeze gute byanga byakunda afite ikibazo. Ageza afata feri cyari imwe imodoka imuzimiraho. Kubita umutwe kuri vora. Modoka komeza ivuza ihoni. Mupolisi avayo. Nyakubahwa.
Sir, can you hear me?
Ye nyakubahwa uranyumva? Modoka irimo yavuza amahoni.
Control 2 Adam 3.
Umva kabiri Adam gatatu. Umva dukeneye ubuvuzi bwihutirwa. Hari umuntu arashwe mu rutugu rw'ibumoso. Left shoulder. Ibwatinze. Badusubiza inyuma iminsi mikeya. Hakuno kwa muganga hari urwaye. Nakana gatoya. Barakari kwa mugabo twatangiye araswa yarafite kwana kwa muganga mugenza rwaje. Barimo arakina ka chess. aha
You sure about that?
papa uri sure y'ibyo ukinnye cyangwa gutsinda? Barakina ngo niki urantsinze?
That's 2 out of 3.
Ya ni 2 kuri 3.
You are a winner.
Urantsinze kuri iyi nshuro.
Then why am I here?
Uzi none tugaruka mpamvu ndi hano.
Dad,
Papa
I want to go home.
ndashaka gutaha. Kana kararwaye kararembye.
I know.
Ndabizi.
I know. I'm sorry. Look,
Mwana ndabizi ariko muhangane.
it's gonna be okay.
Ibintu biraza kumera neza uraza gutaha.
I'm going to be okay.
Papa bizamera ryari neza ariko. Buri munsi uramwa nihangane.
Right now, this is
Nonaha
where you have to be.
niko bigomba kumera, ugomba guma mu bitaro.
Here until you get better.
Mpaka umunsi umuganga azakubwira kumeze neza.
It's not going to work.
Papa ntabwo bizakunda.
Don't you get it?
Ntabwo byumva.
Working on it.
Ndimo ndabyitaho.
Can't stop things from happening.
Stop.
Ntabwo twabihagarika papa.
You can't save me.
Ntabwo wantabara. Mwana sinzi arwaye iki.
You weren't there for mom when she needed you.
Wari uhari mu bwo mama yaragukeneye.
Stop it.
Mwana wanjye bere ibyo ngibyo.
What exactly?
Maze umwana se na nyina barashwanye.
My fault that she's gone.
Mama nifata nkaho yagiye yadutaye nakundi. Tuza rero nzakwitaho kandi ibintu uzabikora. Mama niba yaragiye sinshaka kubona n'umukobwa wanjye. Ndashaka nkugume hafi.
Dad, just leave.
Papa ngaho genda. Niba udashaka na mama ngaho genda. Ntabwo ni bucika intege. I'm not giving up.
There are other treatments.
Hari indi miti Emma.
Please, leave.
Papa va hano genda.
I'm gonna be
Iyo utangiye kumwira mama mwana atandukanye ushaka no kumwumva. Hari ibyo utagomba kubwira umwana mu gihe yirwariye. Emma.
Please, do not give up on me.
Mwana ntukizere ko nacitse intege. Kandi nanjye ntukanci intege.
go.
Papa ndarushye ngaho genda. Humura nzakora ibishoboka mwana wanjye kandi uzavana uri muzima. Kana kararwaye mu rugo ubukeneye bwose. Kana nikameze neza. Mugabo arahaguruka.
Excuse me.
Ye nyangarira.
Mr. Gibson?
Yakuba Gibson. Kira hakuno. Sawa sawa.
I will have your money. I promise.
Amafaranga yanyu uzayabazanira kandi abasezeranye.
Stay as long as she wants.
Umva umwana ashaka kuvurwa neza kandi ndacakeneye indi miti. Mwicire ne ya mbere. Ubukene burahari mu rugo. Afaranga nakibura. Tugaruka kuno kuri Vegas Valley Banks. Harabari. Wa musore Munyezi Gibson niho yaje. Haruwazaga. Aratangira.
It's there. Saw a couple of Valenti's guys in there this morning.
Mazi uyu musore abasore ba Valentine. Valentines nako. Sure.
A guy named Cameron, their lawyer.
Bafite umwavoka wabo witwa
They
Cameron.
insured it for a lot of money.
Yishurwa amafaranga
One
benshi.
more range the insurance.
Yishura na silence ihambaye. Kumbe manager ya banka nayo au inywera bibimoji. Ntibisanzwe da.
Seed phrases in there with the thumb drives. Better.
No gutuza mu gihe utwaye nawe namvye ukoresha ibiyobyabwenge.
Why's that? Days.
Kananga depoje umugabo arikomereza. Ni Gibson. Haraho yaje. Handitse combine. Las Vegas. Yitonze na ku kajimu kamwe ahantu hamwe. Amafaranga nayibura. Zakuno kuri gym tonic. Myitozo buhari. Bitonze. Kumbe araho yaje kureba. Bite Nick.
So you own this place?
Hano nahawe.
More or less.
Cyane cyangwa gake.
You can sign up for an annual contract.
Or monthly.
hano ngira kontra y'umwaka cyangwa kwezi.
But that means you have to make a commitment.
Ya niko bimeze.
Funny. But that was a long time ago.
Cyari gihe kinini nayiruka muri gym. Hakuno madamu baratandukanye ariko kiza cy'abazungu namwe aratandukanye babuza guhura mukubitana amasafuri. Reka reka. Muraganira kuba mwaratandukanye. Byo nta gitangaza kirimo. Fakwa buri mwana akomeje ubuzima bwe. Baza kuno kuganiramo. Bafitanye umwana ari mu bitaro umugabo nta mafaranga afite.
So,
None.
you think Jack would be interested in this?
Uracheka Jack umugabo wari ubyishimire?
I mean, it's $500,000 for Jack.
Ndavuga 500 bya Jack.
More for your guys,
Nandi yanyu.
I guess. And
Ndacheka na yawe.
do this without a crew.
Ako wabwa na crew. Jeza konja kubona ariko nawe.
You doing this for Emma?
Uri muri bikora umwana wawe Emma cyane.
There's an experimental procedure in LA.
Ndabizi nk'umuntu wabaye muri LA Los Angeles.
Cover it, so.
Ndabizi na insurance ntabwo yamuvuza kandi akeneye kuvurwa. Mbabarire.
I'll see what I can do.
Ndareba icyo nakora nanjye. Nimbona udufaranga ndakongerera uvuza umwana wacu. Gusa hari akazi ngo bafitanye sinzi ni kazi bwoko ki. Ibi ni byabaye mbere yuko tubona uyu musore Nick Gibson yarashwe mu rutugu.
Funny, huh?
Aha birasakeje. Isaha uracyayibuka. Banza yariye.
Where did you find it?
Wayikuye bana?
Figure you'd want it back.
Nari nzi ko ukikeneye. Nari narayibitse. Ibi ni byahise ntabwo ari ngombwa kuyima. Sahara yisiga. Kandi urakoze. Yifite ni mu boyfriend, umugabo we baratandukanye. Aratangira. Ageze aha. Arakomeza. Kombo usigare nyiri umugore. Na warinjira. Rendi kuca amazina nyakuri. Bararebana. Bitwaye iki kwa mwarakundanye. Yaratangira afite cyose cy'umwana urwaye. Haza amafaranga arava he. 50 grands. 500 nako. Yoko yakinjiye.
Business is slow, but I'm making my payments. You'll get your money.
Umva business imagenda buhoro raga amafaranga yo kwishyura aboneka ariko araza kuyabona. Umugabo nawe nyiri gym ariko umugore araza gakodesha. Arangije
100K.
ibihumbi 100. Ndakuraho 10 nacyo.
There is a way I could get you a bigger payment.
Hari uburyo nakubonera amafaranga yawe menshi.
I have a connection to a job.
Hari ahantu ufite connection y'akazi.
Only if it means I'm out of our deal.
Ariko usanga ashaka kunkura muri deal.
Okay? Paid in full.
Ndashaka nkwishyure yose. Sheri. Igisi wawe yaraje no kumara iki? Bajya kuri gatana. Komana. Yatani. Uyu hakuno nta jobu. Kwicara bara amasaha nta kindi. Gusa ngo ari diro bagomba guturitsa bakabonamo ibiceri bihagije. Sinzi ni diro ubwoko ki. Ya telefoni karasona.
Hey, Jim.
Yego Jim.
Yeah, no, I got your messages.
Nabonye ubutumwa bwawe.
Really?
Cyane
That can't be right. I'm pretty sure I already sent the check in.
umva humana naza kubanza ndeko bimeze ariko nta kibazo.
Yeah, no, I will, I'll look into it.
Ndaza kubyitaho. I look into it.
As soon as I can.
Ndakusubiza mu nyuma uko byihuse. Sinzi ndiri ubwoko cyari marakina. Kuri ya gym nijoro. Hari abateguye amabunda
Until the bank manager leaves.
turaza kwinjira muri bank manager agisohoka. Bashaka kwiba bank.
For us, every weekday at 2:30, she leaves to pick up her kid from school.
Uyo mugabo bank manager buri kwa kangahe wa gatandatu saa 8:30.
Okay?
Ajya gutora umwana ku ishuri.
No, right here. 2:30.
Turaca mu muryango w'inyuma.
20 minutes.
Minota 20.
It's everyone inside. You'll need my contact.
umva mwese barajya bindani mbona mukeneye ko mbahamagara gusa.
This is Ryan.
Uyu ni Ryan.
He's the assistant branch manager.
Uyu ni assistant branch manager. Niwe wungirije manager.
Have the keys to the boxes and the vault.
Afite imfunguzo zigomba gufungura vaults n'amakarito abikwamo ibintu by'abaturage.
Now,
Kufri foro.
you can push him around a little.
Mwamushyira ku ruhande akanya gato.
A little.
Akanya gato.
It's just for show.
Kugira dukanga abantu.
We do that if he's your contact.
Kubera ko muvuzeranye se.
The idea here is to make this look like a messy amateur.
Umva mwijya guterana amagambo cyangwa ikindi cyo tubaza hano ni business turimo turaganiraho. Kuba baziranye bamaze.
Thank you.
Murakoze. Ikindi
Have his keys. You can get the boxes open.
tumukoye imfunguzo assistant branding manager branch manager twamubona uburyo ki twafungura box course dukarito turimo amafaranga amashanete amazabi ibintu nk'ibyo tugakokora tugacaho.
Having the customers' keys as well, correct?
Ari niyo abafite imfunguzo za customer. Umvanye amakarito nzi kuyasetsa niyo nawe mfite urufunguzo.
Won't be pretty, but I can get them open.
I can get them open. Nafungura nje buri kufure foro yose. Bafitemo na bafite za master key.
The better, right?
Sawa.
You want to focus on the larger boxes, right? On the left side of the wall here.
Ano ku ruhande dufitemo ikarito nini cyane.
Box 23.
Ikarito 23 ni muyigiraho.
That is our box.
Iyo niyo karito dukeneye cyane cyane harimo umuzigo uhambaye.
And inside, you will find this briefcase.
Iyi briefcase irimo indani niyo dukeneye cyane cyane. Niyo iri mu ikarito ya 23.
Many boxes as you can.
Amakarito muyatware mukure amafaranga muyarye nta kibazo ariko iyo karito atagira umuntu ukuraho.
Whatever's in the other boxes and whatever cash is in the vault, that's all yours.
Amafaranga basore mwibe byose mu byibe nta kibazo. Yaba ari muri kufure forum makarito yandi muyatware. Ariko iyi valise numbaze ngo valise ari miki naye numbaze.
So what's in that case?
None ari miki?
None of your fucking business.
Ntabwo bikureba witubaza.
Plenty of cash in the vault and the other.
Mutwara amafaranga ari muri kufure forum n'ahandi hose n'amazahabu ariko rimwe agira umuntu ukora kuri ya karito bivuze karito ifite agaciro gahambaye.
Who's this mousy little freak?
Ntabwo byumvikana neza.
This is Xander.
Uyitwa Xander.
Remote.
Uyu ni telecommande yacu.
Cameras.
Azi kontrola amakamera ahantu hose ku buryo yayobya na polisi. Polisi bakataka banke bazi ko rero yateye bagasanga ahubwo bibeshye.
Running this job, Jack? Or is he?
Nende yabaye akazi. Uyibaza byinshi wa muswa we.
You listen to me.
Umva nyumva neza.
Running this job.
Nijye uyoboye aka kazi. I'm running this job.
Tell you because I don't have time to.
Ntagiye mfite cyo kubwira ubusa ukora ibyo mubwiye nta kindi.
I'm running you.
Uranyumva neza? Muswa gusa. Bagiye gukora banke ku manywa y'ihangu. Mabandara.
Looking for that case.
Abantu benshi bashaka iyo case irimo indani. Mwebwe rero.
Really hurting people. The cops are going to take a key.
Nta mpamvu yuko mubabaza abaturage polisi abyivangamo cyane.
It's just heat we don't need.
Nta kintu dukeneye.
Better look at it. Sometimes things happen in there.
Hari iberamo indani nta kibazo.
Not this time.
Ntabwo ari kuri inshuro nakubabaza umuturage. Atagira umuntu murasa, atagira uwo mukubita, mukora akazi, musohoke mwigendere. Nitutagira umuntu ukomeretsa polisi nizakurikirana ikirego cyane. Ariko ni mu gihe yagira umuntu apfira cyangwa agakomereka nibwo polisi izadukurikirana iperereza rigakomera.
We do this right.
Turabikora gutyo kandi.
Everyone gets their share.
Buri muntu afata umugabane we nta bindi.
Okay.
Sawa. Sawa be cool. Sawa sawa. Twizere ko ari akazi. Bano bona briefcase nakwikoraho.
That's crap.
Mwanda.
How much you think Jack's get?
Hasi ubundi bari asinze barafata mangaye.
How much to take is?
Sindakora akazi nkaka.
Feel right.
Mani mwari bashaka manzi henze. Bamanaga ariko ntibabitindaho. Hakuno bano biteguye akazi. Na wa mukobwa madamu wuyu. Nako yahoze ari madamu baratandukanye. Zana na warasigara.
Don't worry about him.
No mugire ikibazo. Sibyo?
His dad looked after me in prison and so
Ise yanyitayeho ndi muri gereza. Nawe mwizemera ko ni nahanza inzita ku muhungu we. Zanda niwe rwose niyo mpamvu mwizera cyane.
He's got skill.
Afite ubuhanga. Ikaza ndakarani kahaka.
Yeah.
Abonye umuntu wakoreje cyane.
5 days is a long time, really, low before we make the sale.
Ewe tuzacuruza nyuma yaho.
Exchanges person to person.
Muzahinduranye umuntu ku muntu.
The date and time with the buyer, change it now. That would just be.
Nah.
Hoya.
Leave it.
Gihorere.
But I'm gonna need some insurance so things fly.
Assurance nzayishyura ni mugihe ikibazo.
No problem.
nta kibazo. Rero ni mu gitondo kwiba ntibwatinze buracya. Hari waje hakuno ku musozi yitonze ni Zanda aza ku munara we mwitegure. Hano hari amakamera ya banki ebyiri zitandukanye arimo arakurura.
2:30.
Ntibwatinze baracungira hafi.
Bingo. There she is.
Uriya nawe twari dukeneye. There she is.
Right on time.
Asohokeye ku gihe.
Xander,
Zanda
start the feed.
tangira uyobye za kamera. Polisi babone kamera zitari izo banki twinjiyemo.
Feed starting in 3.
Nyatwinjiye muri Prompirere ubereke Sebeka.
1.
Nabahinduriye polisi barimo arabona banki mutagiye kwinjiramo. Ayo mwinjira mu mwisanzuwemo nitonze hatagira n'ikibakanga. Hano hari abashaka briefcase iri muri box. Abandi bababwiye bati mwebwe muri bariko mutwara amazahabu imiringa ibintu byose bihenze bibise banki bitse ariko iyo bavaris atagira uyikoraho. Mwese chini ya Williams get down. Mufungura umuryango sha. Fungura umuryango manager nawe bahereyeho bakanga. Nesi mitwe hasi. Mufunge ibintu mwisakuza. Bajura bazi ko kamera bazikuyeho nta kibakanga nta nubwo abafite. Dore kuri polisi barimo arabona banki itatatswe. Yewe we. Ingia ndani we. Toka nje. Soka nawe. Tayari. Nese bandi babigize umwuga we. Uve kubina bibehene n'amankoko abandi nuguhagurukira amadolari amafaranga afatika.
Where's the key?
Imfunguzo ziri.
They won't work.
Ntago zikora imfunguzo. Ziba munwa. Ntago zikora iki?
Give me the keys.
Shaka imfunguzo. Hatagira uva hari. Omana nari mvuye no gusenga mbere cyafite Bibiliya wamaze. Barangije. Yaza hakuno. Zanye nyundo. Tobora diske. Atagira diske isigaraho amashusho agaragaza yuko hari ababandi y'ibye banka. Nta kimenyetso basiga inyuma. Ubu diske dire aragendera butobagura.
Back in the lobby with the rest of them. Go. Manager's coming out.
Manager arimo arasohoka. Cheni ya ulinzi get down. Nawe hasi nk'abandi bose. Tagira uva hari usagura mu mutwe nabe nagahanga. Uyo kureba abona polisi zerekeje ku yindi banke itari iyo barimo. Batangira gufusetsa.
Box 23.
Tayari. Nyibuke volt 23. Dore ya varisi bashakaga. Abandi mwemerewe amafaranga amaza habo babitse mwamwe bagwa ku mashaneti. Dore amadolari barapakira. We ndeba wa muswa we. Baracyasetsa. Madolari amadiyama. Kumbe dore uyu mama polisi aho yayohereje. Polisi iza yihuta. Bazanye na SWAT. Baracyapakira ikoca. Pakira urufito. Aya n'umwuzukuru azayaryaho tu. Mwana mugira va muvana polisi irimo iraza wangu. Fata briefcase barayifata. Baratangira. Tujyana. Mudamara. Veronica ni ugiye kubatwara. Wese atagira uzamuka wangu. Kano bakabuje kureba. Nakubwe umutwasi ngumene. Manager, pick up. Gwinano. Hagara kose. Assistant manager niyo bafite. Police.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Niki mwana.
We're all set.
Man, twari muri gahunda.
Yo, hey, what is this?
Tayari bank manager baramwana yari mu bagambaniye bank. Hey. Yari muri diru kumbe bare babigambanye nawe. Tayari.
What the hell were you doing in there?
Barakora imishinanira. Bari barutegereje iki? Baratangira. Tayari bisa nk'aho ubwabo polisi yinjiye hakuno basanga banki baje ngo baratabara ntiyatewe na rimwe. Turaba turikinze barabayobeje. Hey, niko muzamenya Zan man. Zan akita Zan. Tayari. Aya turayariye wangu. Hey. Ibi byose nibyo turimo turibuka. Wa musore mbere yuko arasuka mu rutugu. Mwana ni fresh. Nta muntu ukurikiye. Gafaranga karabonetse. Nibyo mani turariye ashobora kutugaruka ntawe ubizi ariko tuyatware kakara kubereye mwana uhita ukambara. Tayari. Yana ni hatari ni keza za kuri kufure foro nako kuri ya briefcase harimo amadiski indani. Guys mwari muzi gahunda. Mutwara amafaranga n'ibindi za diamond n'amazahabu ariko umuntu murebe briefcase akuramo diski diri imwe
500 grand on that.
Ibyo ni 500 by'amagrand ntuyabure. Sawa wangu.
Alright, we'll stick with the plan.
Bani twagumye ku mupango wangu.
Running around like idiots.
Hedupfa kugenda nk'abaswa.
A few days, we all get our cut. All right?
Nyuma y'iminsi mike buri umwe azabona umugabane we.
Cool.
Turumvikanye. Akira wa ya mbere. Tangira kubagabagabanya gace gace. Yo mana amafaranga arahumura nji. Shaka kuvuza agakobwa ki. Geze hano mukajorojoro buri umwe no gufata imodoka ye acukwe. Pinda barikoreye. Nakazi katagutunga cyane kagakoranya ubwenge buke. Kazi karakorwa. Ko bakaje. Tayari. Bose buri umwe n'ibye. Yakuramo gitaburiya. Nakora usurubeti, sorry. Barerekera. Bararebana n'umu egisi. Sawa tuko pamoja. Rangije kugira gutya abona bamutoboreye ipine. Binikira. Akiraho mugenzi we. Paya! Masaza bari mu rutugu. Cha briefcase hasi. Kivayo bavuye kwiba hamwe. Baramusinicinga. Baracyamuha. Gwa munsi y'agasozi gatoya. Reba wangu bazana agatoroshi. Agatoroshi nako naganika muri kacane. Yagwana mu kantu k'agakingo kingo. Mani tugende batatu bagenzi no mugambaniye. Tayari. Mani mupoweje mani tugende. Niyo boro manziri mimari nayo tuzabivumbura mu nyuma. Barasyanza abaturage batangiye guhurura. Bikoza mu kimodoka cya Chevrolet. Baratangira. Chevrolet. Mugabo ko bakamuhaye mu rutugu bw'ibumoso. Ayiwe meze nabi. Yuko agakangutse mu gitondo yiriwe mu kazi keni yankurye n'umunaniro wose ko yagahwereye. Zayisunikiriza ntameze neza. aho no filime ubwo yagahwereye aho no twaboneye mugenza ikubita umutwe ku modoka polisi amutabariza.
Sir, can you hear me?
Nyakuba uranyumva? Ntibwatinze bamuzana kwa muganga.
There was cops already here, right?
Nacyo nibuka nuko ari umupolisi.
Everything that I knew.
Yewe namubwiye ibyo narinzi byose.
Mr. Thompson.
Bakwita Nyakuba Thompson.
Like I said.
Uko navuze.
What I
Nari
had a flat and that's the one.
Pine ryanjye ryari yapfumutse. Natobokesheje.
That's it. That's all I remember.
Ibyo nibyo nibuka.
All right.
Sawa?
Feel free to call us if any details come to mind.
Nugira icyo wibuka uduhamagare rwose, telefone yacu ni ubuntu. Free calls. Sawa sawa. Na polisi ari muri investigation. Ariko ntameze neza.
He's hiding something.
Banza ari cyahisha.
The drives are scammers anyway, you know.
None se yabamurasiye modoka gutyo gusa twaye.
Only for the strip clubs bringing them.
Wasanga ni byangu yatubwiye atari byo.
Doesn't want us to.
Ari ibihimbano.
Hold on.
Baretse gato.
Hey, Reed.
Yego ready. Ni kupa.
Yeah, do me a favor.
Ndanyiri icyo mfasha. Yaza hakuno baganga baracyahari.
Hey.
Yewe.
Okay.
Meze neza.
He did use the bathroom.
Nakoresha ubwiherero.
Hang on to this.
Nagufasha. Yego.
Actually, I think I can manage from here.
Hano nditwaza nta kibazo. Meze neza nta kibazo nditwaza.
If you know what I mean.
Ko yakitwaje. Hakuno arebere muri swimming pool. Nayo twa disk ya dirimwe. Randy kucha maza na Nyakuri. Hakuna madamu na yinywera bya kokayine. Mugabo nawe.
Shit's gonna make you stupid.
No busca wan. Telefone la son.
Told you not to call.
Nakubwiye unumamagare.
Every time we talk to each other, it's a risk we don't need.
Umva nujya umamagara nukamagara ibya risk.
What about Nick?
Numvise byabaye kuri Nick.
If they found his body, he'd be out by now.
Umubiri wese uri. Nick nawe barashe ijoro ryashize.
You sure? You don't sound sure.
Umva kumbwira ngo wamurashe nkaho utari shuwa.
Then what?
Niki?
That wasn't part of the agreement.
Ibyo ntabwo byari byo twumvikanye.
50K to do Nick.
Nagwaye $50 kugira ngo uce Nick ni $50 z'amanyarwanda.
You don't get paid till I sell the case.
Nakubwira ngo umurase umunuzanire iyo case. Tuyigurishe.
What are you saying, Jerry?
Jerry, siko twumvikanye?
Doubt? Is that a threat?
Uri muri ankangase?
Better think about how you answer.
Igisubizo nakimenya mu kanya.
I have the leverage, Jack.
Mfite ibyo mushaka.
Either you get me the money or I'm not showing up.
Nuta amafaranga nanjye ntabwo umenya aho merereye.
You're gonna screw this whole deal.
Mushaka kwangiza gahunda yose.
The buyer is ready.
Umuguzi ariteguye.
I can do about that.
Icyo nabikoraho.
Guaranteed money.
Aho ufite amafaranga wizewe.
Nick share.
Ndashaka umugabane wa Nick twara uwumpe.
And that's it.
Ibyo ko mu 50 ntabwo mbyemera mu mugabane wa Nick.
I will text you when it's time to get your cash.
Ndakwandikira igihe cyo gufata amafaranga cyawe n'ikigero. Kiramukupa.
Hello?
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 Hello? Sasa watangiye gushwana barashaka bafatemo umugabane wa Nick. Abaro Jerry afata. Amagara bandi. Willis.
I need you to do me a favor.
Ndashaka kumfasha. Kumboye nawe kwa muganga maze ashaka kwacika. Ntabandi ribiri siri mu bamfatire mu bitaro nyirwaye. Yitonze. Aza hakuno. Akuramo dukweto twe. Myenda yuzuye amaraso. banamo ikofi ye ko yagasohotse. Abapolisi bambazaga baracyavugana n'umuganga. Akomeza imbere yitonze. Komeje imbere ndakomanga tayari ndani hakuno. Iyo bafuza babika imyenda aba bafuriye imyenda y'abaganga. Hakurya hari akaforomokazi gahari. Fata imyenda y'abakozi hakuno y'abakirina. Kumbe Willis aza hakuno kwa muganga. Uyasohoka kana kuri esanseri. Kumbe gensi kimwe cyari gitwaye ejo bamurasa. Ngiki kinjira mu bitaro. Ikizwa baraje atapfuye ndani.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha?
Yeah.
Ego.
From Emma Gibson's room.
Ndashaka icyumba Emma Gibson yarimo.
You a relative?
Kakana ka Gibson.
No, friend of the family.
Ndi inshuti y'umuryango.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Wihangane.
Visitors?
Nta bashyitsi babemerewe.
Immediate family allowed.
Kereka ari ibintu byihutirwa famiye ikenewe.
Can I give this to her?
Ibi nabimwereza.
Could you?
Nta kibazo.
That'd be great.
Ntacyo bitwaye rwose bimera umwana. Agape n'uturabo.
This to her after her MRI?
Umva ukamwereza nava muri MRI banze gupima ubwonko. Kumucisha mu cyuma. Abanza kureba ecology aremeza. Kana bagaha indabyo n'agape. Mwana ashyira ko yagasinziriye isamuza hejuru. Ese yagiye kwiba ngo arabe ko atabara umwana we nabyo byanze. Kumbe uncle wako ni Willy. Ati Uncle Willis aragukunda. Familia ni ibisambo. Yewe.
I'm gonna get you out of here soon.
Sheri ndaza gukurana vuba.
Have you been these days anyway?
Wari umaze iminsi uriye papa.
Why are you dressed like that?
Kuki wambaye gutyo papa? Kuki wambaye imyenda y'abakozi ba hano?
I don't want to know.
Sinshaka kubimenya kwanza. Ntugire ikibazo akana karakorora. Arakorora. Uruhu rwarangiritse. Nimba karwaye iki? Kure yagutse umwana atangiye kujya akorora amaraso. Ntago ameze neza. Agahabizu. Ndaza kugaruka mwana wanjye. Sawa papa. Nibwatinze. Uyavayo yitonze. Arangije.
Call for a ride?
Witeguye ko tugenda? Kumbe kazanda ko yakizeye.
Gotcha.
Ndagufite mwana.
Hell out of here.
Reka tuve hano. Baratangira. Kazanda yibuke se bakazanda ngo yaramufashije ari muri gereza niyo mpamvu aragakunda.
I never trusted those guys.
Mana sinigeze nizera abari basenze kuvana mbere.
Got you some clothes.
Kira imyenda yawe.
You think Jack and Veronica are in on it?
Wacyeka Jack na Veronica bafite mu ruhare.
Is there something we can do in the blockchain?
Hari ikintu wabikora mwana?
Get the transaction reversed or get...
Nta kindi mbere na mbere nabanza nanjye ni maraburize byanga byakuntu uko byagenda kose nabanza muhune n'umukire twumvikane.
All of it.
Byanga byakuntu ibyo bakoze biraza kubagaruka. Mu bantu bose yimanye nabo.
Great deal on Amazon.
Kandi ugakubitisha umuriro uraza kugakenera. Nta yindi ntwara afite aho hafi aho. Meze nabo urutugu ruramurya amasaha 3 ni menshi mu rutugu rumwe.
Damn.
Mwanda.
It's pretty bad.
Mwana meze nabi kabisa.
I need you to go back to the hospital. Can I out?
Ndashaka kuze gusubira ku ivuriro komeza uncugire umwana wanjye. Ni nangira kubakora amakazi bashobora kumukurikirana Emma. Mukobwa we. No kubahera ruhande. Tugaruka hakuno sasa kuri police.
The robbery on the cloud.
Sasa polisi bagiye.
The onset hard drives are destroyed.
Ikintu bakoze nta kintu babanje kwiba hard drive za ziriya nuza ziriya bank bibyemo. Am hard disk yandi basubije muri Central Room nandi mashyashya banzukuru hakuno.
And the robbery starts.
Aho no bujubara bwatangiriye.
2:30 right around.
Haciye 30 nibwo batangiye.
Nothing.
Nta kindi tubona.
It's a fake feed.
Yep.
Kumva amakuru ari na ya fake.
That's the cut point.
Iriya niyo modoka yonyine itigeze ihinduka.
When the robbery starts.
Aha no buzaba bwatangiriye.
The feed as it uploaded to the cloud.
Uko bigaragara abaturage ntabwo bigeze bahinduka muri bank n'ibiri hanze nta cyahindutse sibye ko amadisk yarari muri bank niyo bahinduye mu mashini ya bank.
This ain't no smash and grab. They're pros.
Abasenze n'abahanga.
Any other footage from outside the business?
Nta yindi footage waba wafashe cyane mashusho. Hari imodoka imwe hari.
There it is.
Ngiri hari.
Any plates?
Plaque yayo.
Those were only a partial.
Ntabwo zagaragaye neza.
Call us when something comes in.
Ukomeze uduhamagare nagira icyo ubona.
Those safety deposit boxes.
Ubundi dushaka n'izo deposit boxes ba nyirazo ni bande. Ya makarito yebwe muri banka imwe yarimo briefcase barashaka ba nyiri ari ya makarito bamenye ngo ni bande. Naho babakurikirane. Bwatinzwe za hakuno. Bamaze kwiba intebe baherewe no nyarunyiri umupangu. Icyo nshaka nta kindi briefcase yiwe. Kureba hano dore cya Willis kiri umunaki cyagambanye n'abandi basambu kujya bamurya ibiceri. Ndaguheraho tu. Aho gikorera hazi Willis avayo gitonze. Faranga ryabonetse bose babyimiye. Uwo modoka hakuno. Rukiraho tangira imodoka yitonze. Ya cocaine nibyo bikururira no gusinifinga cocaine. Kunyuza amazuru vuba vuba. Aye mukanya zirakora. Akira wa mukubitisha umuriro. Mukuru we mwenyewe Gibson. Iri he? Nta nubwo ashaka kubica ashaka briefcase. Ndashaka briefcase yanjye wa muswabe. Yibaze Jack. Wa mugabo wagutwaye umugore ni ufite briefcase. Ari kirya gapana. Ndavuga Jack ari he? Nawe nta nubwo ashaka kimutoneka bamwe bamurashe mu kuboko. Ndavuga Jack ari he? Where is he? Cyanga kuvuga na kiniga. Yaje kubitisha umuriro ntambaraga. Cyasuye n'umwana no mujinya yifitiye cyagiye kwa muganga gisanga yakana kigasigira ipe n'indabyo. Shaka no kunyicira umwana ni mwanyujwe n'ibyo mwakoze wa musenzi we. Yezu umwuka raniga. Fata ingoto. Aracyarwana. Gapupe wahaye n'umwana wanjye kanze nkwereke. Tazongera gutekereza no kwegera umwana wanjye. Uranyumva musenzi wa sasa muheza umwuka mu kanwa ingoto yayikanze. Buri yewe uyu ko bakamuhejeje umwuka Willis baramwivugana muri bangahe hasigaye bangahe wa mbere aciyo amaze kumwivugana mwandasye kimukanza aho bamurashe hose mu gutoneka zero caho yitonze. Nta bandi ritagira amabandi bakorana. Aza hakuno mugoroba umwe. Nick.
How you doing?
Mr. One?
You know.
Razi.
Oh shit. That doesn't look good.
Nsanga ntameze neza.
I'm not doing that sort of stuff.
Ngana nago nakora ibyo ukundi maso yanjye nameze neza. Nago bikora. Aye faranga ari kubisaroro. Tujye mindani nkurebere. Akazi karanze yishingira akavuriro ka magendu.
Have you sit right there.
Inzu imodoka nicyo cyumba niyo saro byose bibera ahantu hamwe. Baganye ikirani ya first aid butabazi bw'ibanze kuramo agapira reka manze matunganye ibintu byose ndeburiyaje. Katurebe ikurikira.
All right, looks like you got 2 wounds.
Sanga afite ibikomere bibiri.
All right. Looks like you had a collision with some lead.
Yeah, you could say that.
Hakuru sasa ibikomere ni bitatu mu mugongo kimwe mu kuboko habiri.
Come undone. You're losing a lot of blood back here.
Banza kure igipfuko kwa muganga wari amushizeho.
Okay. I'm going to have to
mbere na mbere ngomba kubanza koza.
See what I'm doing back.
Uraribwa gato ariko nta birenze. Gukuraho za mikorobe.
All right, let me see if I have a clean needle here.
Kabaze ndeko mfite urushinge rusa neza.
Despite with the state of
Mangana nta kibazo mwana.
I am a very capable physician.
No muganga yabigize umwuga wangu.
I don't have anything really for pain. I got this.
Uburibwe rwose yanga nagwa pain killers ibinini bigabanya uburibwe.
Ready? This is gonna hurt because this is the first poke.
Wihangane ngiye kubaza ko niko kambere ngiye gucisha mu rushinge. Aradodo yagashinyiriza ihangane. Bose nama bandi cyabuza akazi kubera ububandi.
For some pain. Right here.
Kira hakuno.
Use only as directed.
Ibyo binini bikoresha nko nkubwiye.
Oh then.
Ko bisa nkaho bishaje se byataye n'igihe.
Work.
Biracyakora.
Work pretty good for me.
Ngiye birankorera rero.
Just want to finish that beer.
Yari byeri yanya nari ntangiye. Akiriye imaniza ibinini nta mazi dufite muri iyi nzu. Ndebera umuganga uraha. Police sasa. Nibukatinze mu gitondo kanangaza hakuno. Barayi bamuhanduye amasasu ariko arakiyagazeho. Haraho yabyukiye sasa. Gibson nawe akunda borozi. Ntagava kwizima. Bamwibye ntarakireka arabahiga gace gace. Ukubica umugenda umwe uyu munsi undejo bundi paka bashize.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha.
Mr. Gibson for Mr. Cameron.
Umva ndanyitwa Gibson ndashaka umugabo witwa Mr. Cameron.
I have some information for him.
Mfite amakuru ye akeneye. Ajyanye n'iki? Ntari ibintu biyibwe muri iyi minsi. Sasa yere ukuru amwavoka kugira ngo amugeze ku mukire. Hari bora biyibwe avoka arimo arakurikirana nzahiri. Ya briefcase arimo ama disk deal. Hard disk. Sawa.
Follow me.
Nkurikira. Kurikira agakobwa yere kumwavoka. Ondoka. Aje kwiyunga nabo yibye kugira ngo afate nawe abamugambaniye.
Right, well,
sawa na
kind of hoping that we can help each other.
Ndacekanya nawe twafatanya tugafashanya.
I have information about that item.
Mfite amakuru yari ya boro yatwawe.
Stolen from one of your clients.
Yibwe n'umwe mbakiriya banyu. Nako yibwe umukiriya wawe.
To be presented directly to Mr. Valenti.
Ndashaka wowe umuzanira kwa Valentine.
My client list is strictly confidential, Mr. Gibson.
Yumva uriya no umukiriya wanjye ku ruhande nta nubwo ari umukiriya rusange kandi ikindi nta nubwo napfa guhuza nawe.
Even if I had a client with that name, I wouldn't discuss it with you.
Umva kawe nubwo nafite umukiriya witwe gutyo nta kintu twavugana nje nawe hagati yawe nje nawe.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay. Never mind then.
Ntobigire ikibazo, never mind. Sawa kandi ndashimye. Umukiriya w'uyu niwe wibwe. Umwavoka nagomba kubibazwa.
I really hope that what I have to say does not reach Mr. Valenti from someone else, you know.
Umva byana ngiye kubwira nashaka nyako Valentine atazabibwirwa n'undi. Kandi urakoze.
All right, wait.
Sabrets.
Close the door.
Kinga umuryango garuke.
I don't know who you think you are, what game you're playing at.
Sinzi ucyakuri ariko sinzi umukino kina.
But be at this address. Call this number in 1 hour.
Ngwaya address.
Further instructions.
Ukurikiza amabwiriza hamagara iyi nimero nyuma y'isa ujya aho hantu mubwiye.
Careful, Mr. Gibson.
Kandi witonde nyako Gibson. Ube karifuru. Witonde be careful. Sandaza kuba karifuru ntacyo bitwaye. bamubwiye guhamagara nyuma y'isaha nawe arangije GMC imodoka z'abagaga fani nizagendamo bashinzwe iperereza kwa ebyiri kananga uko yakaje kwa bamwavuga yasohotse binjira polisi wibwira abagweke kwa muganga ngo sinzi uwanda sikumbe yarasukuna bigenzi bye nawe aracyakekwa yinjira muri stanseri hakuno polisi umwavoka bahaye gahunda
progress in recovering our property.
The investigation is developing.
umva invitike turacyari kwiperereza.
How are you related to the idol?
Sasa icyabi byabuze ubizihi iki?
My firm represents the holding company that owns it. They operate outside the US and we're registered to act as their agent here. So
sasa barimo baratubaza ntabandi ni US Marine n'abandi bagiye batandukanye ariko nyiri iyo boro nanjye arimo arayimaza nk'umwavoka niba munyeneye ko tudiringa ibyo mumenya byose mumenyeshe kugira bamenye buryo tubikurikirana.
when we learned of the loss, we reported it as their agent.
Nk'aba agent mugomba kumbwira ibyo mumenye byose nkanjye ngamenya uburyo nkomeza gukurikirana ikirego.
And what's the holding company again?
Argent company twinguki? Argent International.
Have you heard of it?
Mwegeze muyumva cyane.
Probably read a recent write-up in the Wall Street Journal.
Actually, no.
Mwamuzi umuntu ari kwa muganga warashwe unatu cyane.
I saw Interpol reports on front companies from mob families.
Umva company nyinshi zikomeye zagiye zihomba zibwe n'imiryango yazo.
You must have confused Argenti with some other less reputable company.
Mwembwira ibintu bidahura ndababwira namwe mu makuru kujya nayo dufatanye.
I assure you.
Tugaruka hakuno. Nyakuba Gibson watubwira icyo ashaka kutubwira.
Where is Mr. Valenti?
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You believe this guy?
Uyu muntu wamwizera? Oya.
Tell you something, wise ass.
Kangubwira amuswa.
The reason you're not spitting out your teeth right now
Uzima muri mavuga amenya taravamo.
is I was told to listen to what you had to say.
Twagabaye twumva ibyo akabaye wavuze kare mbere na mbere niyo mpamvu amenya taravamo.
You don't talk to Mr. Valente.
Ntago wapfa kuvugana na Nyakuba Valenti.
So you better start telling me something I want to hear.
Ahubwo mbwira ibyo nkeneye kumva.
I want Mr. Valenti to know.
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You robbed him and that I can get it back.
Ndashaka amenye ko yibwe nyuma yo kumenya ko yibwe. Mumenyesha yuko namugarura ibyo yibwe.
Don't mess with me, jackass.
Utanyenisha wa muswa we. Wa musenze tubwire uninde wibye.
I want to hear it for myself.
Reka niyumvire kwanza umukira vayo. Valenti. Nyiri kwibwa. Kananga ari hakuno Gibson.
Valenti, I can get you your case that was stolen from the bank.
Nyakuba Valenti nakugarira varisi yawe yibwe muri bank. Case yawe. Gute?
I was in on the robbery.
Mu bakwibye naye narindimu.
Tell me why I shouldn't drop you here right now.
Nicyatuma nkwizera. Cyatuma nakunaga hanze.
Okay.
Sawa.
The assistant bank manager, he was in on it.
Ati abantu bagufashije kugira ngo wibwe na assistant bank manager nawe yarabirimo. Uwungirije manager wa bank.
And that's how they knew it was there.
Niko twamenya yuko iriya briefcase yawe yarimo indani.
Now he's dead.
Yarapfuye twaramwirasiye.
I know who has it.
Ariko tuzi ufite briefcase yawe ndamuzi.
Really?
Sawa.
Because they tried to kill me too.
Nanjye bagerageje kunyica.
So I see. You need protection.
Nawe ukeneye uburinzi rero.
Mr. Valenti.
Nyakuba Valenti.
That you have this property well insured.
Ndabikwirije yuko umutungo wawe nakugarurira.
And if so,
kubw'ibyo rero,
you are positioned right now to collect on that.
Wowe nyizera kandi nabigufashamo.
What if you could get the insurance money and the case?
Amafaranga ya assurance yawe ukayasubizwa kandi na case yawe ukayibona.
I mean that's when.
Bijya mvuga nako kuri.
And I'm the only one who can get it back for you.
Kandi njye nyina kugarurira briefcase yawe.
And if you don't succeed,
none notayingarurira,
you still collect the insurance money.
Amafaranga ya assurance bank zakwishyura ko wibwe muri bank yawe.
So I'm sitting here wondering why don't I have Pete here just break your fingers one by one?
Barakuvuna intoki utangira kumbwira ubwo gitambwira ingingo ifatika.
Because I can get it back for you.
Naye kugarurira kandi binyoroheye. Nyifite intoki zanjye zose.
You got some balls on you.
Manzo ufite intoki zikomeye kabisa.
You screw with us and I will feed them to you. Do you understand me?
Nzazihimbwa kandi nuzana ubwo ry'inkubwo.
Look, I need your guys' help.
Ndashaka ubufasha bwanyu. Nta kindi. Hanyuma.
Let me see if I get this straight.
Reka nsobanukirwe neza.
Steal from me, they steal from you, and now you want to steal back from them so you can give it to me?
Waranyibye nyuma yo kunyuma naye barakwiba none urashaka abakwibye bangarura ibyanjye. n'icyaha bituma nizera yuko nawe utari bungambanire. Yitonze.
A procedure.
Reba icyo twaheraho. Ndashaka kuvuza umwana wanjye w'umukobwa. Ararwaye ameze nabi.
You want what's coming to?
None
15% of about 4 million.
urama 15 kuri miliyoni enye. 500 gusa. Cyane. Sinshaka umwana wanjye apfa. Hanyuma ntuzanire boro yawe nawe ive mu nzira.
At ease, boys.
Bamutuze basore. Ndashaka gutabara umwana wanjye nkakuzanira ibyawe.
That's a lot of Eric Thompsons.
26 in Nevada State.
Hakuno sasa nabe perezida aracyakomeje baracyakuri ku makamera.
Forgery.
What's good? Does he have an ID?
Baciye kinini. Banke zitibwa n'izibwe. Abantu bagiye bafungwa.
Thompson.
Eric Thompson.
None of us could get a match either.
Tukamukurikirana umukobwa.
Clean. Been driving there 6 months, just like he said.
Nkuko yabivuze yaciye amezi 6.
Square one.
Ikirego nta kiragaragara.
This ain't working. Let's get everyone together. We gotta try something different.
Umva dufata abantu bose bagiye ahantu hatandukanye. Buri ubenye makuru ayazane hano tuyahuriza hamwe. Turi ko aricyo twabona.
We need to cast a wide net here, all right? I want to pull every assault with a deadly weapon record.
Ndashaka ahantu hose twaba twarabonye intwaro idasanzwe yakoreshejwe cyangwa se ubujurano bwagiye bahatandukanye mu mezi 6 ashize.
Snickers bar shoplifted in the state of Nevada.
Hano muri Nevada hose turimo turibaza. Banka ziri muri Nevada zose.
Then we need to pull the vacation or sick days of every employee.
Ndashaka buri mukozi wese wakoraga muri banka warwaye byose record zose tuzikurikirane. Ne wahawe vacation akaruhuko.
Unions, construction companies or whatever company.
Either the construction companies. Turebe ibitaro byagiye byakira abantu bagiye batandukanye.
Cross-reference those together for the date of the robbery.
Turebe nabagiye mu bitaro nyuma yo kwibwa. Kandi abantu bagiye mu bitaro harimo umusore Gibson wibye.
Anyone gets a hit.
Buri bitaro byose mugere mubaza ati abaje kwivuza ni bande? Aho twabihera utumenya iri bande ni iri. Niyo gahunda na yindi. Hakuno. Uyu yamenya yuko mu egisi we. Uyu mugabo usigaye ari umugabo we ari wamugambaniye. Kandi bose bari muri diru yo kwiba. Bivuze ngo mu egisi we ari Gibson ni yamwizera zi yuko umudamu nawe yabigize mu ruhari.
What's with you guys not following simple instructions?
Ase ni mkikibazo cyo mudakurikiza amabwiriza.
Jack Willis is dead.
Jack Willis yapfuye. Iyikangamo ni Randy Kucha.
Where?
Ngo yapfiriye he? Mudamu arumva.
How did it happen?
Byagenze bite?
You talked to any cops?
Wafunganye na polisi?
Where's the case?
None briefcase iri he?
Has it at his place.
Jerry yayitwaye uke Jerry namubwira ati aho kugira ngo nyiguye napfa turagabana senkane uramugabane wande wa Gibson. Jerry ne wacikanye case.
Don't go back.
Ntosubireyo utanazana ubugoryi.
They will tie Willis to you.
Byose birakugarukaho.
Dump this phone and get a new number and call me.
Umva tiyo telefoni aho gushaka ibintu cyose bari uzajya umamagaza.
What's going on?
Nibiki bijya mbere mudamu arabyuka.
Willis is dead.
Willis yapfuye.
How?
Ngo gute? Na ubizi.
Greedy.
Basenzi bafite ubwugu muri bo.
Willis was a stupid junkie, always has been. One less dumbass to deal with.
Abasenzi n'ubu nabajya kubizera nacyo ni ikindi kibazo. Sheri.
Where you going?
Ugiye.
I gotta go to work.
Ngomba kujya ku kazi bafite gym hakuno bakoreramo. Madamu niyakoramo. Hebwatinze. Iyo bamuhaye umushoferi bagomba kubana paka.
How long you been in this line of work?
Akazi wagatangiye kingana iki? Kamaze igihe kingana iki? Umuzinzi kira hakuno. Uraza kuyikenera. Agiye kubahera ruhande buruwazi address ahatuye.
Hey, Xander.
Bite Zanda.
What's going on?
Biki byambere.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa sabo. Kazana nika gahaka kiwe. Niko yagwe nkajya gacunga umwana we. Kira hakuno igiporezo. cyana naho kuno burisho.
How's she doing?
She's hungry.
Kana meza tarashonje nta kindi.
I appreciate you doing this.
Umva nagushimye kuri muramfasha. Webuka se wakaza ndani wamufashije muri gereza kugira ngo acike.
I need that.
Ushobora kugenda nako mu nyuma. Ko barisha uduti ni gutya.
You do the twist.
Twist?
Urabanza ugatwisting ukazengurutsa.
Oh my God. Now what? She's not allowed visitors. I'm sorry.
Umva naba rwose nabantu bemereye kumusura. Akana kageze gucika kabona nyina.
It's okay.
Yabeshye umugabo we. Jack yuko agiye kujya kuri gym ahurira n'umugabo we wa mbere mu bitaro. Niba bacana wako umugabo azi yuko ko Jack yamugambane asigaye ari umugabo w'uyu mugore. N'umugore agomba kuba afite mu ruhare.
You dating my dad again or what?
Awe na papa musigaye mwumvikana se cyangwa bana abazungu nabitinda bo muracyateretana cyangwa mwarashwanye completely.
I don't see a little bit, okay?
Mwana ndaza kubona mu nyuma. Agiye guca muri MRI araza kugaruka. Musigare muganira. Saza umugabo none umugore basigaye bazirana urunuka. Ikigabo cyo bafitanye babanyubu nicyo cyamugambaniye.
Bet you're here a lot.
Kunda kuza hano.
Any news on Emma's progress?
Waba ugiye kumama kuri yo Emma ameze muri iyi minsi?
Why are you here?
Kuki uri hano?
Look, I didn't know. I'm glad you're okay.
Imana ishimwe ntabwo wari bize ariko nishimwe kuri muzima.
Boyfriend know that you're here?
Boyfriend wawe yabaze kuri hano?
No.
Oya.
Where are my drives?
Ubundi se za disk dire ziri drives zanjye. Hard drive. Disk zanjye ziri. Avana agapapuro ameze nabi.
What's this?
Biniki.
It's what you want.
Ibintu byo shaka. Kirakuno. Mwandikira address. Yitonze.
And how do I know that's not a setup?
Wasanga sada agatego nawe menyane.
I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
Gomba kunyizera nawe ntabwo mbizera. Nawe nakwizera nte?
What? God, what is wrong?
Kibazo kimfite?
Your boyfriend tried to...
Sheri wawe yarangamane bandasa amasaso ane mu rutugu na gatatu. None ngo nkwizere.
Veronica, wait.
Veronica. Akuno. Police nayo cyari mu iperereza.
What do you got? Remember the dead guy we found in the car?
Barebe kumutwaza mu modoka.
Willis, the medical examiner, just finished with this guy. Check it out.
Twagiye gukora autopsy ku murango wa Bob Willis.
Heart attack.
Yagize ikibazo cy'umutima. Yamwe bijya bwo overdose. Yamwe cocaine iramurenga. System yitangira kora yiruka ngo amaraso yari yashyushye cyane. Ariko nawe mbese nka yahamagaye kwa muganga umunsi wo kwiba.
Bobby Willis.
Bobby Willis.
I know that name.
Igeze ndarizi.
Robberies, one of them was an armored truck.
Yari afite imodoka yari Amadi.
So listen, toxicology report's going to take a few days, but they found he had a crushed trachea.
Byanga byakunda afite n'ikibazo cya trachea. Kimuhumekero mu muhogo.
Now what?
None kigikurikira.
We see if Willis was involved in the robbery.
Byanga byakunda Bobby Willis nawe ari mbibye.
Associates check up and
ahubwo dushaka abandi bari bashuti nabo dukomeza gukora iperereza. Jerry Foster nawe bari inshuti bakunda kugendana.
Says he and Willis did a stint together. Got
babaga bari kumwe kenshi no kazi ka Bobby Willis.
The PO officer also says that Foster's been seeing a dancer that goes by.
Kuva habaho kwiba dukeneye Foster, dukeneye Bobby Willis, dukeneye Jerry Willis yanacishene.
Kenwood.
Tujye kuri Kenwood aho bakoreraga.
Let's go.
Reka tugende. Kenwood umwana 1515 nako 19. Kumbe hano araho bahaye address. Wa mugore Veronica.
If this is what I think it is.
Ndakeka era natuye. Dukomeza imbere. Harimo Foster, Jerry, Jaka, Gibson, Veronica. Uwa mbere we yapfuye acisheni. Baza mu rugo kwa cha Foster. Dotinyuma. Ikizu nimba ari stock. Nimba ari nzu yo kubamo. Nimba ari banaga ibintu bishaje. baca inyuma mu gikari ntihafunze. Ibintu birimo birashaje. Bagiye kumva mva rucuranga. Baciye ibikari. Ni ikizu wajyana isari kirahurutuye binikira. Imyenda muri koridoro. Imbaraga radio kicuranga. Ibi televiziyo bya zamani. Kugira gutya. Jerry uwo ni wowe kumba harimo n'umukecuru ukuze. Yibereye kuri katuni. Nagacayi. Mukecuru winja uko kuranika imyaka isubira ibwana. Yibereye kuri katuni yishimye. Nko mubwira amakuru. Nko mubaze ngo igihugu kigeze reka da. Bakomeza hakuno. Icyo bashaka ni ya briefcase irimo za hard drive.
Are you kidding me?
None mranyinisha wana. Simbizi. Kugira gutya. Basenzi n'abavandimwe. Jerry na cha Foster. Bakiraho. Shika. Jerry ni wowe.
It's okay, Miss Foster. Just me.
Ego mchecho Foster. Njewe.
You son of
Bayeza wana cha Foster. Kiratanya kiracika. Kibasanze mu nzu. Nganda bana. Keza hakuno uyu ni anasimbuka gapangu. Bamurashe mu kaboko nakuno yazamuka. Utisha amaso. Cyagwe sasa kiratsikira. Aha kanzenguruka nitonze.
Stay where you are.
Guma huri. Ahava. Uyu no mujinya. Bastadi mwabasenzi mwe twiba hamwe mugatwara boro mwenyine. Abanza kukigiriza aho ngana. Aginga sana.
Somewhere to take him?
Ufitaho kumujyana cyangwa tumujyana handi?
I have some questions.
Ahubwo mfite byinshi byo kumubaza.
I know a place.
Anzaho twamujyana. Kombe hakuno fandi. Ukari babiri. Barashaka Jerry Foster uko bagendanaga nande n'umugenzi Willis Bobby. Barakomanga.
What can I do for you?
Na bafashe iki?
We're wondering if Jerry Foster's here.
Jerry Foster yabari hano.
He ain't been around for a few days.
Maze iminsi ahari.
Okay. Does he live here?
Aba hano se?
Comes and goes.
Araza akagenda.
Okay.
Sawa.
Anything about any of his friends?
Hari icyo twashaka kumbaza bijyanye n'inshuti ye. Twakwinjira.
Take a look around.
Twakwinjira tukarebamo indani. Ufite manadare oya.
Calls.
Cyangwa cya leta cyemera kwinjira.
Work with us a little bit.
Only guy I know of is someone named Sullivan.
Umuntu uzi bakunda kugendana witwa Sullivan.
His mother's house somewhere on Durango Terrace.
Akenshi bari kumwe nande na mama Jerry.
Talk much when he's here.
Ariko maze iminsi atanagera hano. Sawa urakoze turabishimye nabyo.
Thank you.
Sawa murakoze.
Okay, call Reed. Have her check on that Durango Terrace address.
Aderesa duhaye nizo tugomba kurikiza nta kindi gikurikira. Humura uko bakaruzanye. Yewe.
What the hell?
Bichi bijya mbere wana?
Hey.
Yewe.
Hey. Where are you meeting Jack?
What are you talking about?
Uravuga ibiki?
Where's my goddamn briefcase?
Ndavuze ngo briefcase yangiriye. Varis.
Screw you.
Kirya gapando kiramutuka, okay.
Can I try?
Nagerageza nkamuvugisha.
Who's this?
Ntacyo nindira. Sheri wawe kiramutuka.
Find out.
Azana fera beto. Ubi TV. Ayiwa. Uravuga tu. Yanze kuvuga arimo aratukana. Turakubaza ugatukana.
I'm looking at a dead man right now.
ndimo ndabareba nk'imirambo imbere yanjye nonaha bara bato y'isura umugabo urana umutindishaho nta kukubaza kabiri oya kanze ibihano biracyahari don't worry ufunga umunwa nawe uhanwa cyane arangije yitonze kuramo igisogisi wanze kuvuga azana umwe bukate nsinga bwafe avuna kano uravuga ku ngufu arakanda aragakata umugabo ntambabazi sawa sawa nababwira vuga se uruhinja twinginga
I don't know where he is.
ntago nzahana ari
Really?
nuko kuri kandi
Really? I don't.
ntago mbizi
I don't know where he is.
ntago nzahana ari
Really?
niko kuri icyo ntago cyagukase neza kamanze nkatuye umupira uramenya aho aherereye
What the hell is this?
ibyo ni ikira
Shit just got real.
bigiye kubana ibya seriye iburyo n'ibumoso hombi mukanya uravuga neza ndumva ntago ndi buhagarare pa kumbwira aho nsanga Jack turakomeza paka niwe uri bwitiyemo natuguturekera biri mu biganza byawe shyiraho switch umuriro uragikoma urutenga amangana ngahe sawa kare kose mubwira ari kuri Freeport Casino
boy.
sawa tuzasubira muri zara nta miyaga
Good work.
kazi keza kumbe nako yagatashye avuye kuri umugabo mukuru Jim yaremeze iti niyo bakoramo
My gym is fine.
Jim yanjye imeze neza banza cyageze gismana ariyo waruri
I was.
No, I don't.
aho narindi
At the gym.
nari mbizi kutari kuri gym nari mbizi neza
I don't care.
simbyitaho
I know you have feelings for him.
ndabizo cyane mufite ibyiyumviro
I don't care that he's alive.
icyo nitaho nuko ari muzima ibindi ntabwo mwitaho rwose
What the hell, Jack?
Jack buriya ni ibiki tuza
When you calm down,
kuki umwango ntuze
try to take out my friend. You want to take me out too, huh?
watumye nza muri akazi inshuti zantangiye kuzitana umva funga umunwa
Took it, so what? What's the difference between people like you and people like me?
hari itandukana hagati yawe n'abantu nkawe kimwe n'abantu nkanjye nuwo gutsinda
Coke?
ushaka kokayine tangiye gushiramo utangiye kugira kirize ushaka kokayine nyinshi ayo ma withdrawal yawe izo kirize ufite za kokayine ndazikumaramo bene hano se nyine baburetse ayigamije amazuru nyinshi ajya kureba umu egisi wawe mwaratendanye mwaratandukanye ugomba witware neza twari twumvikanye hano wananyishyuye wamushaka ushaka kuba ubuzima bw'abakeneye umuryango uri hariya ujya uvuga kandi weruye sanga umu egisi wawe yo kubana n'abatindi ibyo ni ibikureba sasa hakuno polisi ayiketse hose bagerayo kumviriza bumva ni inzu ishaje polisi hano iberamo umukecuru yihorera kuri katuni ni umukecuru ushaje bakiraho cya Jerry kirimo indani kirasa na polisi kiratangira barasa kugi. Yo,
Come on, Jerry. We got the place surrounded.
umva dufite polisi azengurutse hano. Jerry, Jerry ni wowe mukecuru amatwi nayo yarapfuye kubera gusaza. Jerry gushikano cyaciye mu idirishya kare yacomotse nk'ejo. Sawa sawa hakunino Jack nawe yaciye ukwe. Mfite kakufure foro mu rugo, disk zimwe nizo zifite. Fata ibiceri bye pinda yari yumvikanye na Jerry aho bahurira. Vanayo ka hard drive kamwe disk deal external.
You get my text about the drop?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Na wabonye message nakwandikiye aho tuhure na tunabibonye. Utabyangiza tugurane ngo amafaranga yawe nawe mereze briefcase. Sawa. Ibwatinze. Amafaranga yapakiye. Avayo. Masaka goroba. Naye ku muhanda yacyategereje. Kiraho ndani mu modoka. Polisi nayo byano bitwaye mugare ibintu byanye. Nahamagara polisi mukecuru nazwe nawe muri imbere ni polisi kutiga singeso.
We are the police. You're okay.
Umva mukecuru humura sheri biragenda neza nitwe wa polisi.
Look after it.
Bagusanga nakantu kumuringane waba utarakibyo bazi ko banki ibika ibintu byinshi diyama korota zahabu.
Before you ask, it's a cell phone number. Belongs to a Jerry Foster.
Iyi ni phone number ya Jerry Foster.
That's for you.
Akana kawe. Mukomeze nayo mugerageze iciyemo mwayi tracking mukamenya ahantu aherereye. Kumbe yarabaje kugurana yazanye amafaranga wa muri briefcase. Briefcase byanga byakundi ifite agaciro kurusha $500 by'idolari. Veronica bene gukorera ku gitugu.
Come over here.
Ye parika ari imbere. Bwatinze zana briefcase. Masaka jorojoro arasesera. Bose nama bandi nta wizera undi. Kandi ntagazi niyo baje guhurira. Yarahoze kera. Abana Jack n'umugore we Veronica nabo barasohoka mu modoka. Uruzu rushaje ajya mu warehouse. Ndani abandi ryize ririndi uwa mbere baramurashe Willis nawe ahita kurikira arapfa. Abandi baracyaza.
Yep. What do you got?
Ubonye iki?
Yeah, of course I know where that is. We're on our way. Send for backup. We may need it.
Umva mwohereza ubufasha dushaka kuza kubukenera.
Let's go.
Nimero mukomeza mu tracking ya Jerry. uyu n'umugore nawo na briefcase yabo nako n'amafaranga. Upora bifizibure zose abona haratse.
Somebody wants to pay the bill.
Kumbe ni yazanye ka briefcase yaciye ahandi. Bitonze byakayikurayo kugera aha. Kigenzi cyabo cyatanze adresse nacyo bagihambiriye hano, baje bakenagaho. Sasa kana agatego kugira gutya
Dad?
yapfuye.
Still a pulse.
Amona saracyatera. Masasu sasa.
What the hell did you do to him, Jack?
We mukareba iki Jack kizwe mugenzi wabo ari na Jack muhitanye nawe. Nibazi kana agatego
One by one.
Chaka kuduhitana umwe ku wundi.
Jerry.
Uravuga ibiki Jerry?
You and that stupid whore do this?
Urimo akora bi.
You guys are the ones that got greedy. This wasn't us.
Umva nimwe mwagize ubugugu nagari twebwe. Bararasana.
What are you talking about? Then who did?
Ninda abikoze niba atari mwebwe. Jerry arayamanika. Bose bari kwitana ba mwana nimwe mwagambanye abandi nimwe mufite ubugugu.
Where's the money?
Amafaranga ari. Sawa sawa genda gace. Amafaranga ari hano hafi. Kumvikana. Mereza case. Mbona amafaranga yawe. Ngwe briefcase. Shyira hasi. Shaka ibindi birenze. Abanza kurasa genzi cye. Igenda gace, yenda gace. Faya bahita bamuhereza mu gituza cy'imanura gato. Nakubwiye nta mujura wizera undi. Jack ibyo ashaka bigezeho ari amafaranga na briefcase agenda rye nandi. Kuramo neza. Na hadi disk bari bamuhaye nayishyira mu ya disk deal. Faya mu rutugu narasku. Kumbe Gibson nawe araho hafi. Nick Gibson nawe yiziye.
Drop the gun, Jack.
Shiri mu hasi Jack.
Oh, we make a nice threesome.
Umva turi batatu twagabana. Ubutatu.
Lover?
Uramukunda? Arasaga kobwa. Kigiheru cyane cyo baragiye. Oya. Veroni. Ihangane. Mwana ariko agamubwira ngo asubirane na nyina. Byaranze. Ihangane. Gumana nanjye. Tego kabagiye mu mugongo.
What took you so long?
Cyagutumye ngererwa wana. Hangane.
You wanted me to give you this.
Valenti yamwe nkwereza ibyawe. Nibyo umukobwa wawe for your daughter. Buri cyongereza n'ikinyarwanda birahura hangono ihangane ni bimwe. Fata briefcase yabo.
You need my help?
Keneye ubufasha bwanjye? Oya. Tuzasubira rero. Mudama aciyeho areba ka gasa mugenzi yari yamusigiye muri gym. Tewe gatata we. Police murabizi teka baza birangiye wapfuye yapfuye, uwacitse yacitse, ntibazuru wapfuye, barahagera. Bageze aha naye byanga byakunda asubira ishene tu. Sinzi ukuntu hano wasanga imirambo 2 na 3 ubwo uvuge ngo urarenga nasi wowe kutari wowe uri muzima kuki atari wowe wapfuye. Fata agakapu ke ca hakuno. Polisi ndani. Hakuno Zanda nawe aracyari hanze tegereje mushuti kureba neza abona Nick arasohotse. Gibson akindi gisigaye mugenzi no gutangira arabe ko mugenzi yajya kuvuza akana ke.
Yeah, I guess
ari ikirori kabisa.
You remember this guy?
Ndakeka nuko kagenze bayitaga Blowback yari Sankalada Premium mwumvaga abagiye mwakoze kuza murabeho n'abakunda cyane cyane ni muci kuzikurikira. Hasta la vista.